Hello dear friends, welcome to the third lesson of Kazakh language learning course. In our third lesson we will learn about greetings and some basic introductions. Amandasu, greeting. Salam means hi. It is used in informal situations between friends. Salamet Singbe, hello. It is also used in informal situations between friends. Salamet Sezbe, Salamet Sezbe. It also gives the meaning of hello, but it is used in formal situations. For example, when you tell hello to elders or to teacher, you use Salamet Sezbe, Salamet Sengderme. It is used for more people. When you tell hello to more people in informal situation, you use Salamet Sengderme. Salamet Sezderme. We use it in formal situation for more people. Koshtasun, goodbye. How can you tell goodbye? Sao bol. It is used in friendly situation, means goodbye. Sao bolenges. Sao bolenges. It is used in formal situation. Sao bolengder. Sao bolengder. It is used in informal situation for more people. Sao bowling is there. Sao bowling is there. It is used in formal situation and for more people. These all giving the same meaning goodbye, but there is difference between formal situation and informal situation for plural and singular. Sao bol, sao bowling is, sao bowling there, sao bowling is there. For example, we see in picture there are two colleagues. They tell greetings to each other. She says salam, hi. He responds salamet sengbe, hello. In this picture we see a client comes to a store or somewhere. They should react formally to each other. Therefore they use Salamet Sezbe, hello, the formal form. Salamet Sezbe. In response she also tells hello. Sao bowling is goodbye, the formal form and singular. So bowling is goodbye. In this picture we see there are children in front of a man. The children should respect the elder person. Therefore they say Salamet Sezbe aage, hello uncle. They use formal form of the hello. He responds Salamet Sengderme balalar, hello children. Informal, he uses informal and plural form. Salamet sengderme balalar. In goodbye, children say Sao bolenge zare, bye uncle. Sao boleng der balalar. And he said goodbye children. In this picture there are some clients and waiter. They should also talk formally. Therefore, the waiter says, Salamet says there may. She uses formal form and plural. Hello dears. Salamet says be. They tell in response hello. They uses singular form and formal. In the goodbye situations, she tells, So bowling is there. Goodbye. Sao bolenges, tindanges, listen, fetalanges, repeat, okenges, and read. Tanasaiq, let's to introduce or let's to know each other. Menan atam, my name. Senan atan kam, what is your name? Sizden atangiz kim? What is your name? These two sentences have the same meaning, but senin atan kim is used in informal situation and sizden atangiz kim. Siz is a pronoun. It is always used in formal situation and sen is used in informal situations. Sizden atangiz kim? What is your name? Men qanishtaman. I am happy. We say it when we meet some person and we mean that I am happy for visiting you. We say men qanishtaman. I am happy. Men tans qanima qanishtaman. Nice to meet you. Men de qanishtaman. I am also happy. Tanasaiq. This is a conversation between two persons. They say Tanasaiq. Let's to introduce together. Mening Atam Adil. My name is Adil. Sizden Atangiz kim? What is your name? He uses formal language. Mening Atam Sauli. My name is Sauli. Men tans qanima qanishtaman. Adil says, nice to meet you. Sauli says, men de qanishtaman. I'm also happy. This is another dialogue, Tansaiq. Let's to introduce. Mening atam Almas. My name is Almas. Senin atang kim? What is your name? Almas uses informal language here. Mening atam Koralai. My name is Koralai. Tans qanima qanishtaman. Nice to meet you. Men de qanishtaman. I'm also happy. In other conversation, Senin atan kim? She says, what is your name? Mening atam Marjan. My name is Marjan. Senin atan kim? What is your name? She replies, Mening atam Madina. My name is Madina. Men qanishtaman. I am happy. She replies, Min de. Me too. Salim. Hi. Tansaiq. Let's to introduce. Mening atam Eric. My name is Eric. Sizden atangiz kim? What is your name? Give me reply. What should you say here? You should say, my name is. Tell your name. For example, mening atam Laila. Men qanishtaman. I am happy. What should you say here? Men de. Me too. Salim. Hi. Saleme sengbe. Hello. Tanasaiq. Let's to introduce. The second person also responses Tanasaiq. Let's to introduce. Mening atam Sanat. My name is Sanat. Senin atan kim? What is your name? Mening atam Oraz. My name is Oraz. Men tans qanima qanishtaman. Nice to meet you. Men de qanishtaman. I'm also glad. Saubol. Goodbye. Saubol. Goodbye. The other conversation. Saleme sezbe. Hello. Saleme sezbe. Hello. They use this formal language. Tanasaiq. Tanasaiq. Let's to introduce. Mening atam. My name is Aynash. Sizden atangiz kim? What is your name? Formal situation. Mening atam. My name is Mayra. Men tans qanima qanishtaman. I'm happy for meeting you. Men de qanishtaman. I'm also happy. Sağ bolengez. Goodbye. Sağ bolengez. Goodbye. This dialogue was formal. In this part, you should fill the blanks. For example, the first person says Salam. You should reply सौ बोल, you should reply. Söylemezsen be, सौ बोल. Söylemezseniz be, सौ बोलेंगे. And I should also say now, सौ बोलेंगे dears.